Welcome to Life Well Booked, the podcast that helps you travel better, stay smarter, and experience the world's most incredible destinations. In this episode, we want to help you get familiar with the breathtaking beauty of Arizona and why its night skies are unlike anything else on the planet. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt something shift inside you? Not just awe, but a kind of ancient recognition, like you were seeing something you were always meant to see. For most of us, that experience is harder and harder to come by. Light pollution now blankets more than 99% of the continental United States, washing out the stars that guided explorers, inspired poets, and reminded our ancestors just how vast this universe really is. But there are still places where the stars shine the way they were meant to. And Arizona, with its high desert elevation, dry air, and wide open spaces, is home to some of the darkest, most spectacular night skies on the planet. I'm Cedric, and today we're going stargazing. We're exploring Arizona's dark sky parks, what makes them special, and how you can plan a trip to see the Milky Way with your own eyes. First, what exactly is a dark sky park? The International Dark Sky Association, or IDA, certifies locations that actively work to reduce light pollution and protect natural darkness. To earn the designation, a place has to demonstrate exceptional starry nights, implement responsible outdoor lighting policies, and offer public education about light pollution. It's not just about the view, though the view is extraordinary. Dark sky certification reflects a community's commitment to preserving something fragile and irreplaceable, the natural night. Arizona leads the nation in dark sky designations, and it's no accident. The state has been a global hub for astronomy since the late 1800s. Today, Arizona is home to more observatories than any other state, including Kitt Peak National Observatory, Lowell Observatory, and the Vatican Advanced Technology Telescope on Mount Graham. Let's talk about some of the places you can go to experience this for yourself. Flagging is home to Flagstaff, the world's first international dark sky city. At over 7,000 feet in elevation, with strict lighting ordinances in place since 1958, Flagstaff offers some of the most reliably dark skies of any urban area in the country. The Lowell Observatory, right in town, hosts public stargazing nights where you can look through powerful telescopes at planets, nebulae, and galaxies. And here's the best part. If you want to make a full trip out of it, you don't have to rough it. Elite VRS offers stunning vacation homes right in Flagstaff, so you can spend your days exploring the area and your nights under the darkest skies in America. Waking up in a comfortable home just minutes from world-class stargazing? That's the dream. South of Tucson, you'll find Kitt Peak National Observatory, perched at 6,875 feet on the Tohono O'odham Nation's land. Kitt Peak is home to over 20 telescopes, including one of the largest solar telescopes in the world. Their nightly observer programs let visitors use research-grade equipment under some of the darkest skies in the Southwest. If you want true wilderness darkness, make your way to the Chiricahua National Monument in southeastern Arizona. With almost no development for miles in any direction, the skies here are stunning, and the monument's unique rock formations create an otherworldly foreground for astrophotography. Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument on the Mexico border is another gem. As one of the most remote national monuments in the lower 48, it holds an IDA International Dark Sky Park designation, and the saguaro silhouettes against a sky full of stars are something you simply can't forget. And don't overlook Petrified Forest National Park in northeastern Arizona. It's the only national park in the world that is also a certified dark sky park, and it hosts annual dark sky festivals that draw astronomers, photographers, and curious travelers from around the world. So you've picked your destination. Now how do you make the most of your stargazing experience? Timing is everything. The best nights for stargazing are around the new moon, when there's no moonlight to compete with the stars. Check a lunar calendar before you book your trip. Summer brings the Milky Way's galactic core into full view, while winter offers crisp, transparent skies and brilliant constellations like Orion. Give yourself time to dark adapt. Your eyes need at least 20 to 30 minutes in complete darkness before they reach their full sensitivity. Avoid white lights during this time. If you need a flashlight, use one with a red filter or a red mode setting. Dress warmer than you think you need to. Desert nights drop in temperature fast, even in summer. Layering is key. Bring a reclining chair or a blanket to lie on. Looking straight up for extended periods with a regular chair is uncomfortable. Comfort matters when you're spending hours under the stars. Of course, the best stargazing happens when you have a great home base to return to. Our Flagstaff vacation homes put you right in the heart of dark sky country, so you can step outside any night of your stay and look up at a sky full of stars. No driving hours back to a hotel, just you, the desert air, and the Milky Way. Download a star chart app like Sky Safari or Stellarium to help you identify what you're seeing. And if you're interested in astrophotography, a wide-angle lens, a sturdy tripod, and a camera with manual settings are your best friends. Arizona's dark sky parks aren't just beautiful. They're a reminder of something we've slowly let slip away. A connection to the cosmos that humans have shared for hundreds of thousands of years. When you stand under a truly dark sky for the first time, and you see the Milky Way stretching from horizon to horizon, a river of light made of hundreds of billions of stars, it changes something in you. It puts things in perspective in the most profound way. So find your dark sky, drive out into the desert, look up. The universe has been waiting. If Arizona's dark skies are calling your name, we'd love to help you plan the perfect trip. Visit EliteVRs.com to browse our hand-picked vacation homes in Flagstaff, your base camp for an unforgettable night under the stars. Thanks for listening. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who needs a night under the stars. And if you visit one of Arizona's dark sky parks, we'd love to hear about it. Drop us a message and tell us what you saw. Until next time, keep looking up.
Thanks for being here on Life Well Booked. If this episode fired you up, made you think, or left you feeling inspired, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a friend. Until next time, keep showing up big, living with intention, and building a life that stays well booked.